Type 4 is equation of a plane parallel to a given plane. Okay. So now let's find what the equation is now. Equation of any plane parallel, equation of any plane parallel to the given plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus k is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, now let's prove it. Proof now. Let the given plane be ax plus by plus cz plus d1 is equal to 0. Ax plus b, okay, let it be d, plus d is equal to 0. Let this be equation 1 and let the equation of other plane is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. 2. Now one and 2 are parallel if, now what are the conditions for the parallelism? We are having if a1 upon a is equal to b1 upon b is equal to c1 upon c is equal to lambda. Okay. So now from this what we are getting? Now a1 is equal to a lambda, b1 is equal to b lambda and c1 is equal to c lambda. Now substituting values of a1, b1 and c1 in equation 2. So what we are getting when we are substituting? In place of this a1 we are going to write a lambda. Okay. So we are having ax lambda plus by lambda plus cz lambda plus d1 is equal to 0 or ax plus by plus cz plus d1 upon lambda is equal to 0 or ax plus by plus cz plus k is equal to 0, where k is equal to d1 upon lambda. Hence required equation is ax plus by plus cz plus k is equal to 0.